Welcome to 75 Viking Road here in Dalkeith. This is a fantastic architectural 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, plus a study, 3 living areas, 2-story, and a workshop studio in the backyard. Let's have a look through. A few of the features we think you're going to love about this house. We've got high ceilings on both floors, timber and stone floors throughout, fantastic placement of your living areas, and you've got the option of an upstairs master bedroom suite or a downstairs master bedroom suite. It is so versatile. Last but not least, we have the perfect north-facing orientation of this whole property. This is a fantastic backyard. The ground floor kitchen, lounge, dining connects to the alfresco, looks over the lawn, plenty of room for the kids to play, tons of room for a pool if you ever want one. It's all here, absolutely excellent.